Hi, I'm Marshall. In this video, I want to teach you how to read Japanese sentences using N5 Reading Test 5. 3 steps to read Japanese sentences. Step 1 is to find out all particles. Step 2 is to find out all grammar rules. And step 3 is to find out all words. You can pause here and try to answer this question yourself. I will explain everything later. 大学は日本語1のクラスの学生に何が言いたいですか What indicates the topic of this sentence? No is used to modify something. And ni indicates the goal of action. Ga indicates something the subject wants to do. And ka indicates a question. And let's find out the grammar rules. Subject or topic plus wa or ga plus object plus ga and plus tai means want to do something. 大学 means university. 日本語 means Japanese language. Class means class. 学生 means student. 何 means what. 言いたい is a wish form of 言う and 言う means to say. So, 大学は日本語1のクラスの学生に何が言いたいですか means what does the university want to say to students in the Japanese 1 class? 今日クラスがありますから宿題を出してください。が is used to indicate the subject of a sentence when it is emphasized. から indicates the reason. Or indicates the direct object of a verb. Let's find out grammar rules. てください means please do something. Let's find out the words. 今日 means today. クラス means class. あります is a platform of ある and ある means there be to have. 宿題 means homework. 出して is a te form of 出す and 出す means to submit. So, 今日クラスがありますから宿題を出してください means we have class today, so please submit your homework. 今日クラスがありますが宿題を来週出してください The first ga is used to indicate the subject of a sentence when it is emphasized. The second ga is used as a conjugation to connect two sentences. Used as a transition word means and. Wa indicates the topic of a sentence. The step 2. てください means please do something. The step 3. 今日 means today. クラス means class. あります is a platform of ある and ある means there be to have. 宿題 means homework. 来週 means next week. 出して is a te form of 出す and the 出す means to submit. So, 今日クラスがありますが、宿題は来週出してください means we have class today. Please submit your homework next week. The choice 3 and choice 4 is just the same, I think, yeah. So I will explain them together. 今日クラスはありません。宿題は午後出してください。今日クラスはありません。宿題は来週出してください。Wa indicates the topic of this sentence. てください means please do something. 今日 means today. クラス means class. ありません is the polite negative form of ある and ある means there be to have. 宿題 means homework. 午後 means afternoon. 出して is a te form of 出す and 出す means to submit. 来週 means next week. 大学で学生がこの紙を見ました。A student saw this paper. De indicates the location of an action. Ga is used to indicate the subject of sentence when it is emphasized. Wo indicates the direct object of a verb. Since there are no grammar rules here, so we can skip step 2. Let's see step 3. 大学 means university. 学生 means student. この means this. 紙 means paper. 見ました is a polite past tense form of 見る, and 見る means to say. 日本語1と日本語2のクラスの皆さんへ To everyone in the Japanese 1 and Japanese 2 classes. To indicates a complete list of items, means and. No is used to modify something. He indicates direction. And let's see step 3. 日本語 means Japanese language. Class means class. 皆さん means everyone. 今日、出川先生はお昼までお休みです。は indicates the topic of sentence. まで indicates a limit on time, space, or quantity. Let's see step 3. 今日 means today. 出川 is a Japanese surname. 先生 means teacher. お昼 means noon. お休み means absent, day off. So, 今日出川先生はお昼までお休みです means Mr. 出川 will be absent until noon today. 午前の日本語1のクラスはありません。午後の日本語2のクラスはあります。No is used to modify something. は indicates the topic of a sentence. Let's see step 3. 午前 means morning. 日本語 means Japanese language. Class means class. ありません is the plain negative form of ある. And ある means there be, to have. 午後 means afternoon. あります is the platform of ある. So, 午前の日本語1のクラスはありません means there will be no Japanese 1 class in the morning. 午後の日本語2のクラスはあります means there is a Japanese 2 class in the afternoon. 日本語1の宿題は来週出してください. No is used to modify something. は indicates the topic of a sentence. てください means please do something. 日本語 means Japanese language. 宿題 means homework. 来週 means next week. 出して is a type form of 出す and 出す means to submit. So, 日本語1の宿題は来週出してください means please submit your homework for Japanese 1 next week. So, let's say 午前の日本語1のクラスはありません So, the answer will be 3 or 4. And let's say 日本語1の宿題は来週出してください It's 来週 So, the answer is 4. Thank you.